HSBC, through the HSBC Malta Foundation, is very proud to be associated with this worthy cause. We provided the funds for the rebuilding of the 2 wooden gun carriages. An incredible amount of research and diligent work of artisans went into delivering the perfect replicas of the carriages you see before you.
The 64-pounder was essentially the largest piece of artillery that the British service had all the way up to 1870. The traversing carriage, it is made from 2 types of different wood, which are oak and elm. They are very, very long-lasting, and in fact what we have here is actually English oak, but French elm. Now we have a fully restored saluting battery, complete with 8 saluting guns, and of course, once again, thanks to the HSBC Malta Foundation, now we also have the 2 64-pounder mounted on traversing carriages.